Okay, here I am at 26 Pearl Avenue in Rumford, Rhode Island. This is the house from the outside, 26 Pearl Avenue, Rumford, Rhode Island. Now I'm going to go in and check the smoke alarms. There are 3 smoke alarms in the house. The first one is right at the top of the stairs. Here it is.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
And here's the date on the back. May 11th, 2017. Okay, the second smoke alarm is on the ground floor.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
And all right, just a minute here. The date on this one is a bit scratched off, but the year is 2015, and it was replaced at the same time as the one in the basement, which is December 15th. We'll see that one next. So the last smoke detector is down here in the basement. Here it is.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
And here's the date. Same as the one on the first floor, or December 16th, 2015. All right, those are all 3 smoke detectors at 26 Pearl Avenue, Rumford, Rhode Island.